Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mailchimp for landing page design and A/B testing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start with Mailchimp, visit the official Mailchimp website. Create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up Free button. Enter your email address, select a username, and create a password. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation message from Mailchimp. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Next, navigate to the Audience tab on your dashboard. If you don't have an audience yet, click on Create Audience. Fill in the necessary details, such as audience name and default from email address. After setting up your audience, go to the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create Campaign button in the top right corner. Select the landing page option from the campaign types. Choose your audience for the landing page from the drop-down menu. Give your landing page a descriptive name to help with organization. Now, click on the Begin button to start designing your landing page. In the design editor, select a layout that fits your needs. Use the drag and drop feature to add elements you want, like text blocks or images. Customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting the settings in the sidebar. Focus on creating a clear call to action to encourage signups. Once you're pleased with your design, click on Save and Close. Now it's time to set up A/B testing. Return to the Campaigns tab and select your landing page. Click on the A/B test option to begin the setup process. Decide on the variable you want to test, such as subject line or layout. Set the parameters for your test, including audience size and duration. Mailchimp will automatically divide your audience and send out the variations. Once the test is complete, check the results in the Reports section. Analyze which version performed better in terms of signups. Use the insights gained to improve your landing page further. Finally, ensure your landing page is live and being promoted through multiple channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.